Sri Chaitanya is an organization with about 950 schools across the country with 10 lakh students today. And we prepare students for multiple streams in the K-12 segment. Academic excellence and student well-being, these are the core values that we focus on mainly. Academic excellence will depend on academics, teacher stability, strength of the teachers, and also personalization that we can give to kids. Well-being is a totally different ballgame. I think for the past few years, especially in the last 4 years, we've put a lot of effort and thought and research into developing and working on student well-being. It is important for kids to be very active in today's day and age and keep them away from from different gadgets or social media, at least for a certain point of time, so we can get them into sports activities, music, dance, debates, elocutions, team projects, and all of these things which will create active kids and also help them think better. The goal for us is, along with academics, to build a very uh, problem solving child. If we are able to develop what the child knows to be able to evolve and solve problems, I think tomorrow it will become very easy. For that, creative skills are needed, innovation is needed, identifying problems, that observation and the eye to understand what are the problems that will need solutions in the future, that is also needed. But to collaborate, right? To do anything today, leadership, collaborative skills are extremely essential. I think as part of well-being, not just focusing on decreasing stress levels on students or working on the best learning habits, we also work on leadership qualities, collaborative methods, and also having an active child every day. I think for the future, schools have to change so much. The way we educate children have to change so much. Today, all the competitive examinations in our country are also changing. They are moving from knowledge-based questions to problem-solving and application-based questions. I think it's a very good start because every child and teacher will direct themselves to start thinking about and working on application skills. The minute we develop that quality in a child to learn a concept, to understand a fundamental, and then start applying and solving, I think it becomes very easy. So that is one part of learning that has to change, and I think it will change. It has changed so much in the past 10 years. The other part of learning is how can a child work towards being a collaborator, a leader, and constantly work on innovation. Think of different ideas, what can contribute to the society, and how they can grow and be successful as individuals. In our country, with about 248 million school-going kids today, it's not an easy task because today a teacher is teaching one lesson to many students. I think in the future, every school has to work with technology, try to learn more about adaptive learning, and use AI very responsibly to be able to assess the learning gaps that each child has. And then a teacher can fill those gaps with the aid of technology and start working with students to develop all these other skill sets: curiosity, problem solving, collaboration, teamwork, project-based learning. All of this will come together if schools work on adapting technology and very responsibly, of course, and trying to develop tools to empower teachers. Because without the right teacher, none of this will be possible. And technology will not remove teachers. Teachers will be there. They play a very important role for the K-12 segment. Technology should enable and support teachers to do their jobs very well and continue to grow along with the students and teach better and better every day and cater to individual students.